back again, another section. This is from the fishing and legal station mail. Um, Mail wise, if you see someone mail at your household for more than certain, depends on the area, that person can they claim they are living there. Y'all know I'm retired and stuff, so nobody mail can come to my house, and I get superficial with that stuff. Even before I was retired, I hate when people mail come to my house, cause I stayed in Bismarck, Grand Forks, and I stayed in freaking Dallas and freaking New Mexico. And all four times, the people say, "I live in your house, my mail come." I'm like, "No, prick. You come in my house, you die." And also, you gotta live in like, "No, I don't. You wanna try to come in? Try me, prick." Literally, if some mail come to your house for more than a couple months, they can USPSS and see something, and they can say they live in your house. They can be living in your house. They can be I don't even know. They can just be living in your household without your permits, and you have to give certain times to kick them out and stuff. Like Alaska, they kept doing it. When I bought my house in Alaska, according to the real estate agent who lied, he said, "I want to represent you, make it way more easier." Okay, don't represent anyone else then, and somehow you know representing both of us, and it didn't turn out my favor, whatever. Just a lawsuit, but the owner kept sending mail to my household over and over and over and over and over again. And according to my real estate who lied under the time frame, which is illegal, said her husband died. Why is your husband's mail still coming to my house? Her husband died 2 years ago. Her mail come to my house over and over and over and over again. Then another freaking family, some random prick down the street. Somehow my mail got mixed up with some random prick down the street. The same people broke to my house. And no, I slapped the postal office around. You can't just see my mail to my house. You gotta sign a paper. I already signed a paper. But you know, if someone mail come to your household, they can claim your household as theirs, and you got to give them 3 months time to kick them out. Which is why anytime that happens, I jump right on it, unless I'm lazy, because it does not matter if I jump on it. If you come in my household, you die, and it's the police job to investigate, which is totally illegal to do so in the first place. But you know, don't mind me. I don't care if it's winning. You getting kicked straight out. Well, too bad. That is me. And then there's the same section with the under the truth of caller Honor the Truth of the Caller ID Spoofing Act. Just go to ftc.gov website. It's meant for filing complaints against internet companies, phone companies, scam. Register your phone on Do Not Call List L. Bunch of other stuff, but it does not work because douchebag Trump, douchebag situation. Your internet has always been throttled. You just don't notice it. But for those who like us, who computer savvy, network savvy, know our internet been throttled before they made it legal to throttle internet. GCI lawsuit. But anyway, under the Truth Caller ID Act state that you cannot spoof someone with the intent of committing a crime. So if you need to hide your identification information on, or like you're going through a divorce and or you got a stupid boyfriend or a stupid girlfriend or whatever, gender in between, or you got stupid kids and stuff, and you don't want anyone to see your identification calling, you can spoof your ID and just hide the ID and call them. Or if you want to check up on a husband or a wife, find out they're cheating, find out about his phone number, you can, I don't know, who is this lady? Who is this guy? And spoof that same number toward them and call them, "What's up? How's it going? Oh, how's it going? We're going to, oh, you going on the dates now? Oh man, I was unheard of this. Oh, you can't do that. Hey, according to our triple call out there, I have no intent to commit a crime. But thank you. I know that. Stuff like that. That's the main reason why they say you can't use it for illegal or injury, personal, mental, or any other to harm, but you have to look it up yourself. Different states have their own law. There's federal law, there's state law, then there's city law, then there's county law, then there's simple laws with this bullcrap. Like I said, when I first went in the military, there's two things I said: conquer the world or wipe it. You can't conquer the world. You guys can give me the world. If you don't give me anything, you can commit suicide. Congratulations. Anyway, I'm out.